css.lint.argumentsInColorFunction. It's a bit weird that VS Code has this setting because the color function is still in draft. So I can actually show you. So this is the level 4. This is the CSS color module level 4, and it's still in active development. So it's not implemented yet. So it's a bit weird. I'm gonna paste this here. It's a bit weird that VS Code has this setting. It doesn't do anything. I've set it to error. I think that's the default option. And the color function is not the color attribute. Is actually a function like RGB or RGBA. And it's very useful. You're supposed to use a base color and then a modifier so that you can derive all the colors for a given theme from a main color. So that's useful, but it's not implemented yet. So just don't worry about it. Oh, also this setting doesn't work. So it's set to error if there are an invalid number of parameters. And I've just exaggerated the number of parameters in this color function, and it says nothing. So, doesn't work.